Hey guys, welcome to Vidyatvanam. So there is a bad news for those who have booked the Ola electric scooter. That is, the Ola electric scooters deliveries have been once again delayed. Earlier, when the Ola electric scooter was launched on August 15th, they have said that the scooters will be delivered by October. But for the first time in October, they have said that due to COVID-19, they had to extend their delivery date and they have given a new delivery date in November. So by November 15th, the Ola electric scooters delivery should have started. But November 19th, Ola has sent a mail and a message to the customers who have paid the booking amount that the deliveries of the scooters have been delayed by 1 month again. So the new date that they have given is December 15th to December 31st. They are saying that between this date, those who have paid the full amount, they will be getting their scooter delivered to their houses. So the Ola's reason for the delay in deliveries is very lame. They are saying that due to chip shortage and the semiconductor shortage, which is not at all believable, because the chip shortage and the semiconductor shortage was there since June of this year. Since June, there is a global semiconductor shortage, but I don't know where Ola's team was since so many months. So what we think might be the reason behind the delay of this delivery is the improper or the pre-production stage of this scooter. And if you all know that the scooter is in a very early stage in the software, there are hundreds of bugs in the scooters. The mobile app is not yet done and there are many software issues with the touchscreen display on the electric scooter. And the scooter is not connecting to the mobile via Bluetooth, and there are many issues with the software. And there is also a big issue with the hardware, which we got to know when we test driven the scooter, and also all the automobile journalists have noticed and said it in their reviews. That is the sudden stopping of the scooter and the sudden reduction in the performance of the scooter when you have driven the scooter in hyper mode for more than 5 to 10 minutes. So as we all know that the hyper mode is the fastest mode on the Ola scooter, when the automobile journalist drove the scooter for more than 5 to 10 minutes on the hyper mode, the motor or the battery started to heat and the performance of the scooter decreased drastically. In few instances, we have also seen that the scooter has automatically stopped. They have to put the scooter for rest for 15 minutes and then the scooter started to move again. So this was the thermal issue that the scooter is facing. And Ola also admitted that there was a thermal issue with the scooter which can be rectified with their software. So in our opinion, this might be the reason behind the extension of delivery date. We think Ola might have decided to rectify all the issues and bring out the best out of their scooter when the first vehicle will be delivered. Comment down what you think about this. That's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Vidyatvanam.